Cajun Barley Risotto. Barley is a nutrient-rich whole grain packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It aids digestion, lowers cholesterol, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation, while its fiber supports heart health and weight management. Barley also boosts energy and strengthens the immune system, making it a valuable part of a healthy diet. Heat oil in a pressure cooker over medium heat. Add the crushed garlic and diced onion. Saute until the onions turn translucent and aromatic. Stir in the tomato puree and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture thickens slightly. Add tomato paste, jaggery, vinegar, salt, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper. Add the washed and drained barley to the pressure cooker. I soak the barley in water for 10 to 15 minutes. It's optional. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the barley is well coated. Pour in the boiling hot water or chicken stock. If using water, add the chicken stock cube and stir to dissolve. Bring to boil. Close the lid and cook on high heat until the pressure cooker whistles once. Reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally before opening the lid. Gently fluff the risotto with a fork. It gets thickened once cooled down. Serve hot, paired with Cajun chicken and a fresh salad for a complete meal. For the measurements, check the description.